This is how not to set your water tank and why. Whenever you set your water tank, you want to put it in with sifted sand next to it and make sure all the rocks are gone. And this is why. See all these pock marks? That's from rocks getting pushed into the side of it and puncturing the tank after the pressure of the earth. Now I'm going to have to sit there and polyurethane the whole inside of this tank because it leaks. Every one of those are leaks that your water sifts out to the earth around, and it also gives a place for roots to push their way through into your water system and steal your water. They sell a 2-part epoxy that's water soluble. I used Fiberglass Repair Kit back here, which is not recommended for potable water, for drinkable. So they do sell, it's about $246 for a 1 gallon bucket, believe it or not. So, and your foot valves, always make sure your line coming in is serviceable, just in case your foot valve clogs up. And you always want to make an access hatch that you can access all the time, unlike me having to cut a hole. Because when you live like this, having water is important. And when you put 2,000 gallons in but only use 1,000, the rest leaks out, that's wasteful. You live off grid for a reason. Do it smart.